Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Brent, Michigan on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Brent, we got you all fixed up here on this Truckerized tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, wideband transmit receive mods, as well as unlocking the clarifier. And this thing is ready to go. We'll have your static 636 mic through in there, and of course you'll have your SRA 198. If you're running this as a base, if you're watching this video, these are great little stands. I sell them on my site. I'll include the link in the description on YouTube. Got a big spot for the fan to breathe, as well as speaker to come out on other radios. It's got a nice lip in the back that holds it, and it's made of an ABS type plastic, so it will not scratch your radio. All right, Brent, let's get right to it. Start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 25 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run like a 16 pill. A 150 all the way up. Show you average power swing. About 225 bird. Yep, we've retired the 500 watt slug. Got the 1000 watt slug here. PEP. Hello 1 2. Hello. 590 watts. All right. Let's roll the RF power all the way down. There's the 25. Still the 590. All right, Brent, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been Truckerized. Bum bum.